In this video, I'm going to show you how to do WhatsApp business catalog setup using TEMU affiliate products. This will help you to create customized product catalog in WhatsApp for business. I will walk you through how to upload each TEMU products on your WhatsApp for business. You will learn how to do descriptions, set up the pricing. You will also learn how to pick your product affiliate link on TEMU and link it to your WhatsApp for business catalog. This is my WhatsApp business app. I will show you how to list TEMU products in WhatsApp catalog. For you to locate catalog inside WhatsApp, you come to tools, you tap tools. If you scroll down, you can see this is catalog. You tap catalog. You can see this is my catalog manager. You scroll down. These are different products with different collections I've listed on my catalog manager. If I scroll down, you can see TEMU product collections. If you tap all, you can see different TEMU products listed in this catalog under this collection. This is another product. This is the pricing. This is the link, and this is item ID of this TEMU product. By the time you share this, anybody on your WhatsApp contact can buy this on TEMU, and they will get it delivered to them on their doorstep in Nigeria, and you are going to earn commission for that. By the time you tap here, you'll be able to share these links to your status, your contact on WhatsApp. You'll be able to copy the link and drop it on Facebook, on your WhatsApp channel. As soon as they open it, it will take them here. When they tap on this product link, which is your affiliate link, they tap on it like this, it will take them to TEMU website directly. When they buy this bag through your link, you are going to earn commission for that. Therefore, I will walk you through how to do your TEMU affiliate product setup using your WhatsApp for business. You'll be able to arrange and upload each of your choice of products just like this. You will learn how to share and grow your audience on WhatsApp. I will demonstrate using my TEMU app. So you tap your TEMU app. Don't forget, you're supposed to go inside your TEMU affiliate profile page. You can just tap this search, type in affiliate TEMU like that. It will take you to your TEMU affiliate page, because that is where you are going to pick your link that you're going to share so that you can earn the commission. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You see how I claim the reward of a product they give me and how I use it to make a purchase of some item and how I unbox them in Nigeria, so that I'll be able to know the process. You are now inside your affiliate page. If you become my referrer and you use my link below the description of this video with code, look at all these benefits. You have access to them. But for you to see products that you can share to earn commission, you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see easy to earn commission. You'll be able to share your link and code, and you too, you can start referring people to the platform and be able to earn commission. So all you need to do is to scroll down. You can see share items to earn. You can access different categories up here that you can share on your WhatsApp. When you click on any one of them, these are the listed products that you can share their links. Don't forget, we are inside your TEMU affiliate page. These are commissions that you can earn if you share them effectively and now lead to sales. Suppose you are interested in this watch, you just tap share to earn. You can see you'll be able to make up to this amount when you share this product and sell. The image of the product you are going to see is going to be like this. I will click copy link. You can use any browser on your phone. You tap that, you paste the link that you copied now, and you let it run. The image will come out here. You tap the image, you crop it, then you save it. It's already saved in your gallery on your phone. Don't forget that you have the image now, you have the link. So you go to your WhatsApp business. So we are back to your WhatsApp business. You go to catalog, tools, you come to catalog. You are inside catalog now. We are adding new item. You tap add new item. You select the image you just saved now. You select the image. You can see this is the image. You tap the image. We have the image. Don't forget that I copied the link the other time. You scroll down. Look at this more feed. You tap it. You can see link optional. You type inside and you paste the link. You now come back here. The price the sales price, this is item name, this is the full description. So we are coming back here to copy the description. You come back to the inside of the catalog, you scroll down, you paste the description. Because I copied the description already, you paste it. You paste the title, that's the name of the item. You can see the name analog wristwatch. The price, you tap inside, you type the price without comma. This is the sales price, you tap that. You insert the normal price and the sales price. You select your country. My country is Nigeria. You see I've pasted the link already. You type the item code, then you go and pick it on TEMU website. For you to get the item code, you come to this place, you tap it. Look at it here. This is the item code. Another way to copy the description is to send this thing to your email. You copy it easily. It's very easy like that too. So we have the item code, you paste it. So we have everything we need now. All you need to do is to do save. It will save and it will take a while before it is approved. It's yet to be approved, but it will soon be approved. If you scroll down, you can see the name of the product, the price of the product. You can see this amount your audience will enjoy. This is the link of the product. You go back to the catalog manager to join the newly added product to this collection. You tap here. You can see the new wristwatch we added. For you to join it with it, you select that place, then you click done. It's saving. It is already saved. You can see it down. You can tap here, up here, to reorder it. You tap reorder and you now come down to move it up. You tap on it to move it up. You can see it is now here. You then save. It is saved. Don't forget that it will be approved. It's going through approval by WhatsApp support team. So you now know how to set up your TEMU products on WhatsApp for Business catalog. For you to know how to sign up to TEMU affiliate program, how to get accepted, what you need to do to grow your audience and to make money with TEMU affiliate program on WhatsApp, and how to use your WhatsApp business app very well. The link of the video will come out now. Watch that video. Don't forget to use my TEMU invite link and the code. Also below the description is my WhatsApp My Street Business course. Check it out. It will take you through how to use WhatsApp for business effectively to grow any kind of business both locally and internationally. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.